everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun mermaid potion. Okay, so your ingredients are just it's quite simple. Some salt, because you know most mermaids are going to end up in saltier sections of the water. A mixing bowl, of course, so that we can mix up all your ingredients. Make sure to clean it though if you've tried something different. Make sure you have a towel on hand, just in case, you need it. Just lotion, because this spell is more of something that you put on, so we use the lotion so we have something to apply it in. And a spoon, and then usually something fun, something that you want your tail to look like. So I have this purple shimmery stuff. If you can see, it's a perfume with glitter in it, so it's really pretty, and it'll make your tail look really pretty too. So, oh, and you also need a cotton swab for the application. One of the flat ones would be the best. So, let's get started. Okay, so have all of your stuff laid out. Just have it all fixed to where you can reach all of it, alright? And it's best to be near a sink. I am by a sink right now that is actually in the shape of a like a clam shell thing, so it looks a lot it's even more connected to the water than like a regular sink. Okay, so you're gonna need a cup about this size of water. This is a cup I use every show so far, just because it's good. Again, cold water is preferable, whatever you say. And then you're gonna pour that into your mixing bowl. Try and get it all in the water. It's okay, in the bowl. It's okay if you spill a little water, that's why you have your towel. Okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is the really long one. You're going to add the salt. I would say, because you don't have to drink this, stick with that 1.5 teaspoons that I tell everyone to use in each video. So 1.5. I put too much in the first one, so I did 2. Okay, now you're going to take that really, really long time mixing. So, I would say that for this, you can use a piece of jewelry. I'm going to make 2 videos using this method. The first way is no jewelry. It's just jewelry, just an application process. The second one will be with jewelry, and I'm going to see if I can get a spell to put with it, like a binding spell or something. So you all know, if you've seen my other videos, that it takes a long time to mix the salt in with the water, because you want it to be fairly clear. So for those who haven't seen my other videos, it's best if you scrape the bottom of the bowl and then you bring the spoon up, and if there's still salt there, you're not done yet. And it may take a good minute or so. But so while we wait, side effects, same ones as usual: nausea, scaliness of the feet, itchiness, that sort of thing. Okay, almost done. And I would say, if this doesn't work for you, that means that you're special and this isn't the spell for you. This is this worked for my cousin Layla, and she did show me her tail, but she mixed weird colors, so she has a brown tail. She had to do this reversal spell, and she still is waiting for that to finish. Okay, so everything is mixed together. So next you're going to add in the first dose of the liquidy, shiny stuff. So you want to do it until it's gonna, with what I'm using, it looks like the surface of the sky. It's really, really strong scent. And just because it smells does not mean your tail will smell like it. We're doing this mainly for the glitter. Okay, so step 2, we're gonna, 3, you wanna mix it in, because if you're using the sort of glittery perfume that I'm using, it sort of clumps together in water and like floats on the surface. So you sort of want to mix that together. Might get weird looking, but don't worry, that's not going to affect your tail. Is not going to look like that. Might want to add some more of that. Awesome. Now you can use any product. Like if I wanted to, I could use like really anything. If you want a really soft tail, like a puffy tail, like the big ones, use hair mousse. Add a squirt of that in it. If you want more of a bubbly tail, I would say add hydrogen peroxide. And like it all just depends on what you want. So I want a slick tail because it works better for swimming. So as my special ingredient, I'm going to add styling gel. It doesn't matter the brand. This one is Two Kids on a Surfboard. It's probably pretty old, but it's called Cool Ocean Blast, so I'm taking that as a good sign. So I'm going to add 3 squirts of that hair gel. It's going to make your tail fast and smooth. I don't know exactly what it's going to do to the water that's in your bowl, so I don't know. But yeah, you just have to think about the thing in there, and it'll hopefully just whatever you think. It's mainly the magic and the believing in the spell that will work. So now we're going to add the cream, but I would say the best way, because there's a lot of water in there, is maybe if you like apply it to a cotton ball or a Q-tip. I'm going to try applying it to a Q-tip. Just any Q-tip will do. And I'm going to try just dipping it in the water. It may take like a little while. I'm not sure. Because, you know, I've had people come out with weird mutant tails. And it looks really bad. Okay, so I'm going to dip this in here. It's okay, it's sticking on there. That's pretty good. See? It's just on, that's not earwax, that's this pink cream. Okay, so now it's come off. And I would say actually don't use a Q-tip. Just put a bunch of it in it, and since it's sort of like floaty, pick it out later. Okay, so I've added a good bit deal, and now you have to mix it. Just try and get the little particles as much dumped in the water as possible. I would say wait about, not very long, 30 seconds, and then try and get some of the lotion out, and drain the water, and put it on the cotton swab. Alright, so just smear it on there like that. Awesome, guys. You're all doing awesome. Alright, so this is, I'm making this spell for my niece, Alexa. She wanted this sparkly moon thing. She gave me all the ingredients, so I know exactly what she wanted. And she told me throw in like something fun, so I gave her a slick tail. Alright, so now that you have this, I'm not going to do it because it's for Alexa. You want to smear it on your legs. I would say first do your right or left leg, depending on whatever hand you use the most. So if you're right-handed, right leg, left-handed, left leg. And then do the other one. And then take the extra liquid that you have and put it on top of the salve. And then wipe it off, but you need to use very soft tissue because you need to make sure it's in your skin, alright? So that's about it. If you have any questions or comments, ask me. No cyberbullying, be nice. This is all for my sister, and for all you little kids, believe in magic, alright? Alright, see you next time. Bye.